If you're over 50, you've probably been told this before. You need to exercise more, walk faster, push yourself. But what if your body doesn't feel safe doing that anymore? What if your knees hurt, your balance feels shaky, or you're afraid of falling? So here's the real question. Can just 10 minutes of slow, gentle Tai Chi walking actually help you lose weight after 50? Not by forcing your body, but by helping it feel safe enough to change. Stay with me, because the answer may change the way you think about exercise forever. Why this question matters. After 50, let's be honest for a moment. After 50, weight gain feels different. You don't eat more than before. You don't move less on purpose. But the weight still seems to creep in, slowly, quietly. That's because after 50, metabolism slows down. Muscle mass naturally decreases, hormones change, and recovery takes longer. So when someone says, just exercise harder or walk faster, your body may quietly respond with pain, stiffness, or fear of falling. That's why the type of movement matters more than the amount. And this is where Tai Chi walking becomes very important. What is Tai Chi walking? Tai Chi walking is not about speed. It's about slow, controlled steps, shifting your weight safely, staying aware of your balance, moving with calm breathing. Unlike normal walking, Tai Chi walking activates deep, stabilizing muscles, trains balance and coordination, reduces stress in the nervous system. You're not just burning calories, you're teaching your body how to move safely again. And for adults over 50, that safety is everything. Can 10 minutes really help with weight loss? Now, let's answer the big question. Is 10 minutes enough? Here's the truth. 10 minutes of Tai Chi walking will not burn fat the same way a 30-minute jog would. But after 50, fat loss is not just about burning calories. It's about improving insulin sensitivity, reducing stress hormones like cortisol, increasing daily movement, consistency, preventing injury, so you can keep going tomorrow. Tai Chi walking helps your body feel safe enough to release tension, improve circulation, wake up muscles that haven't been used in years. And when your body feels safe, it becomes more willing to let go of stored fat. The real power of 10 minutes. The real power of 10 minutes is not the time, it's consistency. Many seniors quit exercise because it feels too hard, it feels too painful, or it feels unsafe. But 10 minutes feels doable, feels gentle, feels achievable every day. And when you practice Tai Chi, walking daily, your balance improves, your confidence increases, your fear of movement decreases. That leads to more movement throughout the day without forcing it. And that's how weight loss actually starts after 50. Why? Slow movement works better after 50. Fast movement increases stress. Slow movement builds control. After 50, your nervous system plays a huge role in weight gain. Chronic stress tells your body, hold on to fat, stay protected. Tai Chi Walking sends a different message. You're safe. You can relax. That calm state improves digestion, reduces emotional eating, helps regulate sleep, supports hormonal balance. Weight loss becomes a side effect of better balance and calm, not punishment. How to start? With 10 minutes. If you're new, start simple. Here's how. Choose a quiet space. Stand tall, relax your shoulders, take slow, deliberate steps. Shift your weight fully before moving the next foot. Breathe naturally, no rushing, no forcing, no pushing through pain. Just move with awareness. 10 minutes a day is enough to begin changing how your body feels. What happens after a few weeks? Most seniors notice better balance, less stiffness, more confidence while walking. Some notice clothes fitting more comfortably, less bloating, better posture. Weight loss may be slow, but it's safe and sustainable. And most importantly, you don't feel afraid of falling. Final message to seniors watching: so, is 10 minutes of Tai Chi walking enough to lose weight after 50? It's enough to start. It's enough to build trust with your body again. It's enough to create a habit you can keep for life. You don't need to move fast. You don't need to suffer. You just need to move safely and consistently. If you're over 50, comment below, "I'm starting today." And if you want more gentle, safe Tai Chi walking videos, check out the playlist linked below. Thank you for taking this step, one slow, confident step at a time.